Kotoko had to foot Nyame Admotina. Looking at both teams, both coaches are under pressure. Omunyina are foreigners. Do you think, let's start for your coach, do you think the pressure to supporters, and my coaches, is it really right from a tactical point?
Well, I feel like they are all professional coaches. I mean, if we're professional coaches, sometimes supporters will agitate. You need to focus and make sure say, the players know about concentrating. So for us, the full coach, he's a professional, and I'm sure that he's doing his job. Zebu, of course, I see him to be a professional coach. He's doing his job. Yes, the pressure will come from the supporters, and all based on say both teams are not doing well. I mean, both teams are not doing well. And looking at the league table, Aduana has beaten Kotoko, Aduana has beaten Hasselhoff, and of course, both teams are going to meet. So we have two teams now. Say Hasni Kotoko, but not say Hasselhoff, for instance. Any issues with the technical team, any issues with the management. That is where they become dangerous playing for Asante Kotoko.
They become dangerous.
They become dangerous playing for Asante Kotoko. But a day before the game, and then they come in and come and play. But Kotoko cannot handle that kind of pressure. But unfortunately for both teams, they have injury situations. You see Justice Blay out there. Yeah. He's injured. Rashid Norte is not part of the Kotoko setup. But the film with Yamabai, you could clearly see he was bringing some kind of a dynamic in the Kotoko method. It's his sense of judgment, his sense of decisive passes Odema Kotoko out front was good. And then Odi squad, yes, they're going to rely on Richmond Lamte or Eric Zeze. Because Eric Zeze was starting in a game and he doesn't do well, but you bring him from the bench, he does very well for Kotoko. Of course, Richard Bodu Agadas and Sharif Mohammed, partnership is good, but the indisciplined aspect of Richard Bodu always calls Kotoko. In Doma, I thought the yellow card was needless, and it has or time. What I say, me believe if Kotoko will go down from the midfielder, he has to be him. He has to be a leader. And for me, if he doesn't change that kind of attitude, that is where Hasselhoff can capitalize. Because looking at the Kotoko two pivots, Sharif Mohammed, the senior, because of Kotoko, midfielder, of course, or no, Richard Ward Agadas, because.
Maybe Lamte, gentlemen.
Of course, Lamte will be there, and of course, Enoch Morrison, and of course, George Infege. Infege, or boy with injury. Infege is playing with injury. Infege is playing with injury. I will be away. But Steve Makwela, for me, is a very good player. Fantastic striker. He moves into space very well. He's not a selfish player. He creates chances for himself and his colleagues. But the problem I'm seeing in the Kotoko setup is when you want to give Steve Mukola a pass, give him to his feet. Don't give him into space. Okay. Because the moment you give to space, defenders struggle with him, he goes down. But when you give to his feet, he's able to take on defender, he's able to dribble. So that is what, and he also needs the support. At the end of the day,
like when he gets the ball, so will be banned.
That is it. Because he's not selfish. If he cannot go, he turns and he always wants to release. Their last game at the Baba Sports Stadium, you also saw it against Biche United. Look at the assist that he gave George Infege. How many occasions that he did. So I believe that he's one key player Kotoko should rely on. But hey, it's about Hasselhoff and Kotoko. Hasselhoff is coming into this game. Probably we all know say Robert Ado, Caleb Amankwa are with injuries. And of course, if they are with injuries, Hasselhoff, they can come in with some character. Everybody will need to Did you get my point? So this is a game of 3 points, trophy, and of course cash, and also pride. And this is the situation whereby a battle between Kotoko and Aduana is about 5 points difference. So and of course, we have about 15 matches to go. You cannot write off Hasselhoff, you cannot write off Asante Kotoko. For me, I want to see a very good game, and I know we are going to see a very good game tomorrow.
Okay, but coach, what can the various dimensions? Let's look at the Hasselhoff team. What is really their issue? They are not scoring. Is it the attackers in there and I say creativity in them because our or Salifu or Suraj or I believe these guys are creative.
Hasselhoff has been creating chances more than 5 in every game that he's playing under matches. They create the chances. They don't score. Obed has been scoring chances. Top scorer for Hasselhoff is Benjamin York. When you're an out striker. Yashan was sharing or more one shot on target since he started playing for Hasselhoff and Coach Matic. You understand my point?
Hasselhoff is the attackers, not
Hasselhoff team right now. Because he coached about how many matches from the pre-season to the friendly matches that he played, and then through to the league or boy, yeah, storm the part of the players are called champ. Our mobile, still we the first 11. He keep on experimenting, and for me, that is a problem for a team like Hasselhoff. Always trying to change the setup. Yes, English or the last game against Olympics, he played Otanga as a centre back. Obi himself will improvise here, but he calls Hasselhoff. But when you play him as a pivot and push Esso a little bit, you see stability in Hasselhoff. Glassing does his thing. Salifu also comes in with creativity. You understand? So Hasselhoff problem, no. If it's a technical, they sit down, they look at their team, analyze it, and they are good to go.
Okay, so your prediction will good one for the fans. I mean,
we better side win tomorrow's game.
Thank you very much, coach.